Good morning, everybody. I'm Jayshree from SNS College of Technology from the Department of Biomedical Engineering. So I'm going to take electric circuits and electron devices. The title is what? Rectifiers and power supplies. I'm going to take this full wave bridge rectifier as a part 2. So we already seen that half wave rectifier is only one diode is used. In the full wave rectifiers, two diodes are used, or top on diode and bottom on diode. Whereas in bridge rectifier, the four diodes are used it forms like a bridge. That is what this full wave rectifier. So here it is a depth empathy for why bridge rectifiers are used. It contains the maximum efficiency utilizing the full waves and eliminating costly and heavily components, lower ripple factor for better performance and better utilization factor. So next one, full wave rectifier. The full wave rectifier is a rectifier that will use four diodes more than in a bridge information. The full wave bridge rectifier systems consisting of four diodes, resistive load, and this are namely A, B, C, D. So this A, B, C, D forms this four diodes which contains the construction of this bridge rectifier. The output is what? As usual, sine wave. In the half wave rectifier, only positive half cycle will conduct, and for another time period, the negative half cycle will conduct for the another half cycle. Whereas in full wave rectifier, the continuous positive half cycle will conduct like bridge rectifier. So in full wave rectifier's output is equal to bridge rectifier, but whereas here the four diodes are used in order to get the maximum efficiency of the components. So this is what this principle of full wave rectifier. Here we can apply the AC signal across the circuit. During the positive cycle, the terminal 1 becomes positive. That is what here the top diodes, this top diodes only will conduct during the positive half cycle. And the terminal 2, only the negative half cycle will conduct, that becomes negative. So this is what this principle of full wave bridge rectifier. And next one is what? So this will cause the diode A and C to become the forward bias and the current will flow through it. Meanwhile, the diodes B and D will become reverse bias. If the diode A and B conducts, that is A and C conducts, this B and D will be reverse bias. If B and D will conduct, A and C will be reverse bias. So whenever the diode is reverse bias, it does not conduct anything. So okay, that is what this bridge rectifier represents. So here this forms the AC flow signal flow from the input to the terminal 1 to the terminal 2. This is the output waveform of the forward bias bridge rectifier. So here the only one signal is given as the AC signal as the input, and the diode A and C will conduct the positive half cycle. With this only one half cycle will come, whereas the negative half cycle does not conduct any half cycle, any output. Whereas in other positive cycle, whenever the positive cycle will come, the diodes A and C will give output as the positive cycle. Okay. Next one is what the output of C, the output of diodes B and D. So here the diodes B and D conducts only the negative half cycle. So B and D conducts only the negative half cycle of this input. So whenever this, that is for example, if the input positive half cycle, the diode A and C conducts. For the negative half cycle, the diode B and D conducts. And finally we get the output like this continuous positive half cycle. This forms this constant DC output waveform. So thus it converts AC to DC with the help of four diodes. I will repeat this. So whenever the diode A and C, the output will shows only positive half cycle. Whenever the diode B and D conducts, the output conducts only negative half cycle. Next one is what? So this is what this construction we already seen that, but in case if you want to use the filter, we can use this capacitor and resistor as the load resistance for this filter circuits. So in addition to the full wave bridge rectifier, you can also remove the unwanted components present in the circuits. That is what the components include: resistor, which is parallel with the capacitor. So thank you all. Have a great day.